gardeners, welcome to Soul and Garden. I am Lizelle and I am here to share to you some information and inspiration with regards to things that are related to plants, gardening, and anything in between. For today, we will be talking about these snake plants. I know you are already familiar with snake plants because these plants are already trending this time. Maybe for a year now, or yeah. And we will, based on my experience, I will share to you some growing tips and also the unusual things that I have done to my snake plants, which prove that they really are a very tolerant and a perfect houseplant. Yes, snake plants are the perfect houseplant for lazy people. That's true. But for now, let's begin with naming my snake plants. And I will be holding the camera so that you can see them more closely. So this one is snake plant Laurenti. Yes, this is very common, especially in landscaping activities, because they can grow tall and they add color to the garden. This other one is the Sansevieria turkey or star Sansevieria. Yes, because look at here, the shape look like a star here. That is it. And this one is the moonshine. This is my most favorite because look at the smooth leaves and the very light colors. This one is the moonshine. And here we have the Sansevieria xylarica, or the Ceylon bowstring hemp. Yeah, this is the bowstring hemp. This one, and the other one here is the Jerboa snake plant. This Jerboa has very long leaves. Only that it has been cut because this was only given to me by a friend, and when she gave it to me, the leaves were already cut. So maybe they propagated it. That's why they cut it. But this is doing well. Look at here. There is already a new leaf, a baby leaf. Just not so clear. Please don't mind the rooster. It's almost evening and they're looking for a place to rest. Here are the smaller varieties of snake plants. They are called bird's nest. Okay, this one is the silver honey. Yeah, and it's small. It's short. And then this one is the black gold. See? This one is the golden honey. This one is the jade. This. Well, this one is a copper tone. This one is very slow growing because This has given to me by my cousin for about a month now. But look at here, this is only the new growth of this plant. And the leaf is almost the same in size since I received this a month ago. And among all these small snake plants, this one is the fastest in terms of growth. This is a fast growing snake plant, and based on experience, this one is the slowest in terms of growth. This variety produces small shoots slowly. Okay. See our rooster over there. My rooster. He's already on his place for resting during the night. And that is why I'm making this video a little bit fast, because it's getting darker and I have no other light other than the natural light. Okay, so now we will be talking about the unusual things that I have done to my snake plants. And yeah, it made me a bit of a bad plant parent, but I am just experimental, because we can do so many things with our plants just to test them, how they do and how they respond to things that we do to them. So look at this one here. See, this is a flower vase, but I have planted my snake plants here. At first, I put these snake plants on water, but then I got lazy of always changing the water. So instead of putting water, I put soil. And look at here, yeah, there is that soil, and there is no drainage. See, there is no drainage. And I put this outside our front door, and when it rains, the rains will gather here, and in the morning I will just throw the excess water away. I will just tip this over to get rid of the excess water. Excuse me. And look, it has become green. The soil has become green because of the excess water here. And I think there is still excess water here. It's just not so clear, but this is, that really is it. I mean, there is really that extra water here below. Only that it is not so clear on the video. Anyway, this only proves that snake plants can thrive in wet environment, wet soil. Yeah, in wet soil. Because I have read somewhere on the internet, I have read from an article that says snake plants can rot. The roots of snake plants can rot easily. But for me, based on my experience, no, it is not true. Because look at this one. The original plant here is this one, and these two here, this and these are just new growths. See, they are growing, they are healthy, only that they have slow growth. Yeah. And this one also, see this? Yeah. This is not another variety of snake plant, because look at the color. It's very lighter color. And you know what happened to this? It's because I have put this snake plant inside the bathroom for 5 months. Yes, for 5 months, this snake plant didn't receive any sunlight at all. Only the artificial light. And it's not always the light inside the bathroom isn't always on because we only turn on the light when somebody is in the bathroom, and we turn off the light when nobody is in there. And so but the bathroom isn't completely dark, because there are some bit of light that that sneak in from the other from other spaces. Yeah, but look at this one. It's still in good condition. The only difference is that here, this is just lighter in color, but this only proves that snake plants can tolerate low light. And take note, it's 5 months. And I have here another one, and you know what I did to this one? This snake plant only stands in water. This is a pitcher. See? It's water here inside. And you know how many months is this snake plants here? It's 3 months. Yeah, this snake plant has been here, has been here for 3 months, and it's still okay. Look at the roots. It didn't rot. See? So snake plants are very strong, very tolerant. Their roots don't rot easily. That's for sure. Okay, I guess I need to end my video now because it's getting darker here and my camera is also getting slower. Okay, that's all for today. I hope that you learned something from me, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to receive updates. Thank you for watching. Bye. So our topic for today,